My name is Brother Solomon and I'm at the Prince Builders Luxury Estate Phase 9 in Ugbor GRA Benin City. All structures in this estate are of the same pattern, which includes terrace duplexes, detached bungalows, 2-bedroom, self-contained, and lots more. Every piece of land you buy in this estate comes with a C of O, and you get to enjoy 24 hours power supply, good access road, security, and lots more. No more community harassment, no more community development fee, no more CDA, no more is a chair or is a table. Just buy and build. A plot of land measuring 500 square meters in this estate costs 9.5 million naira. But the first 10 persons to come and buy gets it for 7.5 million naira. You buy 10 plots, you get one free. And when you bring 10 persons to buy, you get one free. You get 20,000 naira when you refer a buyer. You can pay instrumentally. When you buy a plot of land from the Prince Builders, don't forget to collect your raffle ticket for her 14th year anniversary this December, where you stand a chance to win lots of prizes like cows, bags of rice, car, land, and lots more. Visit our head office at Comfort Plaza A4 ATT off Adesua, GRA Benin City, or call us on 091 55 00 5000. Make a rush, go buy my own.